Hi everyone, my name is Jeremy. I'll be joining the ActiveMatter training network from Switzerland at EPFL, and I'll be working on theoretical computational study of phoretic phenomena in nanoswimmers. First, I'll give you a brief overview of my background. So I did my bachelor in theoretical physics at University Paris-Saclay. Then I did my first year of master um, as an exchange student in Singapore in condensed matter. Then I did my second year of master, specialized in the physics of biological system in Paris-Saclay. So during that second year of master, I did my master's thesis on connectivity inference using oligopane data. So the context of this research is to understand the relationship between the spatio-temporal dynamics organization of DNA and gene expression. So if you look at the scale of around 100 nucleosomes, you will observe what we usually call TADs, which means topologically associated domain. Basically, it just means that two DNA sequences within a TAD will bump into each other more frequently, and so they will co-regulate. Um, my work was focused on identifying the position of those TADs using polymer modeling and principal component analysis. So these TADs are made, maintained, and destroyed constantly within a cell nucleus. And they are made using what we call a loop extrusion process, which involves a protein that will bind to the DNA, extrude two strands on both sides, and make some sort of a loop. So what we see here on the last picture is that two beads or two parts of the DNA, which were not previously connected, are now connected. And so I was trying to identify where there were such connections. And I could do that because I had access to a huge database of chromatin trajectories in 3D, which is very impressive. It's made using a molecular biology technique using fluorescence in situ hybridization. And so we get things that look like the image on the left, which are really small sequences of experimental chromatin trajectories. And then using polymer modeling, I could map those trajectories and do a principal component analysis to infer the position. So I'm not going to go into details here. I just wanted to present to you the general context of what I did. I actually, to come back to the international training network, I actually started my PhD only a few days ago, and so I haven't even worked out the details of my project at all. I don't even know what I will be working on exactly. What I do know is that I'll be doing a computational and theoretical study of artificial um, machines that navigates using phoretic self-propulsion. So usually I know that phoretic self-propulsion refers to um, some kind of response to externally imposed gradients of chemical concentration or electric field. Um, I don't know yet what I'll be working on exactly, but hopefully I can give you some more details the next time we meet. Thank you.